by the way. Hair loss check. Hair loss check. Hair loss check.
Nope. It's snapping.
Snapping. Ew. Snapping, snapping.
And yeah, it's kind of bad.
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami. Over the last few years, many of you know that I have lost quite a lot of hair from my hair damage. I've also lost a lot of hair from postpartum hair loss and different stressors in my life. I do receive a lot of comments from you as well. For example, this one from her Andy that says, my baby is 2 months old now and I'm losing my hair. It is normal, but it feels horrible. Anna also says that her hair is thick, but she is currently losing her hair and she doesn't know if it's due to stress or if it's just normal. This video is brought to you by Ovaco, a wellness and skincare brand from South Korea, creating safe products with high functionality and efficiency. Ovaco uses carefully balanced ingredients with the highest quality to promote beauty and health from within. We're going to be talking about the Root and Shaft Hair Clinic program that fights hair loss and promotes growth. So let's look at what hair loss is, what it's caused from, and how we can promote our hair to become stronger and healthier. The Medical Mayo Clinic says that hair loss, which is medically known as alopecia, can be caused by the result of hereditary, hormonal changes, medical conditions, or a normal part of aging. You can often find a receding hairline or a patchiness of baldness, as well as sudden loosening of hair due to physical or emotional shock that can cause hair to loosen. It even says here that it's summed up as a very stressful event. So I did a little poll on my community post and almost 5,000 of you responded. Although 38% of you say that you have thick hair, 19% of you have thin hair, and 18% of you say that you are losing your hair. So let's go over and talk about how we can treat hair loss and increase circulation to promote hair growth as well as prevent our hair from falling out of the follicle. Now, because a lot of hair loss can happen due to stress, it's very important for us to practice self-care routines and take care of our bodies and our circulation. So the Power Active cream will help to increase the circulation in our shoulders and our necks. You just apply it straight onto your neck area and your shoulder, and it will help to alleviate your neck pain as well as increase the circulation to your scalp, delivering blood to the area that grows your hair. The Power Active cream soothes and relaxes your muscles, which can be quite tired or tense, especially if you live a stressful daily routine. That could be physical, mental, emotional stress. It all shows on our bodies. The cream also defends multiple levels of cellulite, which help with wrinkling. The Power Active cream is an ultra strength and speed relieving cream. It has long-lasting action and it has a fresh texture without stickiness. So it helps relax your body with long-lasting warmth. And you do want to wash your hands after you massage it into your body. You can use it on different areas as well, such as your waist, your leg, your back, your wrist, shoulders, and knees to stimulate the blood circulation and soothe and relax those muscular areas. And you can actually feel a slight tingling sensation, which is why it's important not to apply this to sensitive areas such as your eyes, your nose, your mouth, or your ears. You can also have a family member or a friend to help relax your muscles by using this cream on the back of your neck and your shoulders to increase the circulation of blood to your scalp. Apply the boosting cream right on top if you feel a burning sensation, which is going to help with that circulation. The boosting cream is an ultra strength boosting treatment that will protect your skin and also moisturize the skin as well. It leaves the skin feeling cushioned and soothed, which is a great follow-up step for the Power Active cream. All the way up the neck and the back of the neck as well as down the shoulders. And it really helps you to massage the area, and I can feel all my knots in my muscles. These are like my strongest muscles because these are the muscles that I carry my 3 babies with. Well, the first one I don't carry anymore because he's so large, but it really helps to get those knots out and allows Slip to massage your own muscles when normally we don't take care of massaging our own muscles unless we have someone else do it for us. After shampooing, use the root shaft scaling solution hair mist on your scalp directly to cool it down. I'm gonna go in sections like this and target every area of your whole head. Next, you use the Tireless Energy Restoration Basic Toner to tone the scalp and the hair. This is a power energizing toner that restores the vitality of your hair and scalp. For example, if your skin is tired, if there are environmental factors like UV radiation, sun damage, or pollution in the air, as well as internal stimuli caused by stress, Ovaco recommends putting a toner in a bubble foamer like this and mixing about 10 to 20% water in order to get a really nice foam. Apply the toner into your scalp and wait 8 to 10 minutes before wiping it away with a wet towel, any of the excess product. The main ingredients, lactoferrin, bakuchiol, PGA, and panthenol, help to boost your scalp's energy no matter what environment, and is balanced perfectly for immediate effects and visible changes. To provide essential nutrients for healthy hair, mix 2 of the sturdy hair root serums into the wild hair shaft ampoule. This is going to strengthen your actual hair roots and also protect your scalp from pimples, free radicals, as well as external factors that may damage your scalp. This is going to prevent hair loss by suppressing hair cell death and preventing the hair from falling out of the follicle, which will in turn help the hair grow thicker and healthier, and is also safe for long-term use since it is formulated with biomaterials and natural ingredients. Again, applying it thoroughly to your scalp. Not only are the ingredients natural, but they're also hyperallergenic and safe. They don't irritate the skin because they also don't include GMOs, toxins, parabens, fillers, thickeners, silicones, artificial colors, and other synthetic materials. Use the Desdemona hair serum as the final step of the Root and Shaft Hair Clinic program. It has restorative properties for damaged hair and can also be used as a hair perfume. So that is it for Ovaco's root and shaft treatment. If you're interested in their treatment system or would like more information, you can check the description down below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.